So you want to be a player?
Yes, I want to be a player. But look at my kitchen light. It's so lame. So pathetic. You know, it's just a single source light from a kitchen hood. And I'm going to make it better. My kitchen light is going to be cool and useful. So I bought this IKEA LED strip, and you could get some way cheaper from Amazon, but this one is like ready to use system. But the only thing is I need to cut it. It is just one strip and I need 2 segments of it. And because I cut it, I need to connect it again with some wires and install a new switch as well. Put all the connections into the electric box, and I'm just like pretending that I'm doing something, and I'm really actually doing something. And now it's finished. So this is before. And this is after.
You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my